All right, everybody, we're now going for a ride in our 1968 Chevy pickup, black with the red combination. There's one nice thing about this truck is, though it sounds really nice, has a very nice Vortec engine underneath. Yes, that is an LS swap. For our interior, we have the black and red combo also. As you can see, they have an upgraded radio, AC, digital gauges. As also as the door and the dash are painted black and red. That is not no leather material, is actually painted on there. For the bed, it is also black with a sprayed on Liner X, which means that you'll never stain the paint or hurt anything in it. This truck kind of gives off a really cool, very cool disguised spy kind of truck that we have here at Skyway Classics. Anyway, we're gonna open her up now, let you get a little sound in the back. And with that, let's also offer you a little bit of a brake test. Brakes handle really well there. Like I said, this is one of the nicest trucks that have come through our shop. With the custom wheels that don't even rub when you turn the wheel, it's really nice also. Anyway, we're gonna get her turned around, put her on the lift. Stay tuned to see you underneath.